How to create real MetaTrader 4 account. What's up everyone, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can easily sign up for MetaTrader 4 account. But before getting started, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is download the application from Google Play Store or App Store. Then go ahead and open up the app. Now you'll have to accept to its terms and conditions, and it will ask you to open a demo account first. Go ahead and tap on open an account. Wait for the interface to load, and once your demo account is open, you can start practicing right here on the demo account. And once you feel like you're ready to create a real account, you can just tap on the message icon right here, tap on register, and you'll be taken to the login page. Go ahead and enter your login ID. Then once you enter your username, you can just enter your email right here. And once you enter your email, you can just go ahead and tap on OK. And you should be able to log into your account and create a new one. And you'll have to verify from your email. And once that is done, you should be good to go. I hope you found it helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.